Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get survivors in survivor.io. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get survivors in survivor.io. So in survivor.io, survivors are playable characters with unique skills and passive bonuses. While you start with the default common survival, you'll unlock additional survivors as you progress through the game. And here are the main ways to get the survivors in the game. So, collect survivor shards. So most survivors are unlocked by collecting shards, specific survivor shards. Most regular survivors require 80 shards to unlock. The Kantics require 50 Kantic shards, and S-rank survivors such as Master Yang and Matila use S shards instead of regular shards. You can complete Special Ops. Special Ops is one of the primary way to earn survivor shards for free. Make sure to complete these daily whenever possible, as they are a consistent source of shards. Participate in events. So limited time events frequently reward survivor shards, S survivor shards, and survivor choice chests. These events are one of the fastest ways to free-to-play players to unlock new characters. And in the end, you can go to the shop and buy the survivors. So that's one of the easiest ways that you can of course go and do it. And these are all the ways how you can actually go and do it, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.